What's up everybody, this is Angelo back with another unboxing for you guys, and today I'm going to go ahead and unbox for you the SLR MAGIC Anamorphot. Now this is from SLR MAGIC. It's a 1.33 times squeeze, and what that actually means is that you're going to be getting a much more wider field of view, and once you de-squeeze it in post, you'll actually be able to get a lot more real estate in terms of field of view, just like what you see in the movies. This is a proper anamorphic squeeze if you wanted to get that film look. Now when we open up the box, you'll be greeted right away with this is like an instruction manual, though it's just a one-pager, and it also has tips on what type of lens would be actually compatible with it, because if you actually have a taking lens which is not compatible with this, you would actually see some vignetting over the sides of the camera, and once you take that foam out, the top one, you'll be greeted right away with the lens itself. Now I was actually quite surprised when I held it. I was like, you know, this feels really premium. It's all metal. It's a bit heavy, and the coating, like, it's really gorgeous. Like you see, it's premium. It has this really bluish purple coating. Now the diameter of this is, I think this is 77 or 67 in diameter. So if you wanted to get maybe an ND filter for it, you need to consider the diameter size. Now also at the back, you see it's also fully coated with that really nice film coating right there that gives you that really nice flare. And it also has this focus rings, which is normal and near, and there's this lock at the back. So once you actually put it onto your taking lens, what you want to do is to have it slightly loose, and then adjust the flare to ensure that the flare is horizontal, and then that's the time that you lock it using that lock ring. Now there's also, what's included also in the box is these are I think what they call this, the up rings and also down rings. So if you have a taking lens that fits a certain diameter, you can use one of these adapters in order for the Anamorphot to be compatible with your lens. Now I think it has a diameter of 42, 66, and 54, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, it comes with this really nice leather pouch as well. Now that's basically it. That's everything that you get inside the Anamorphot SLR MAGIC 1.33 by 50. Now I've also prepared a very quick and dirty clip for you guys, just walking around Hong Kong, just to let you guys see what it looks like, and so here it is. Let's take a look.
got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan.